Hello and welcome to GrossiMath.com, where math is for everyone. Today we're going to take a look at another law in equation solving, and this law is really simple. You're allowed to take expression number 1 and expression number 2 and switch them around. If by some chance you've stumbled upon this video and you don't know what I'm talking about, there's a whole playlist about equations, so go back and start at the beginning and you'll understand everything. Okay, so let's take a look at some example problems of this new and easy law. I've already set up our equation using the rules that we've worked on, and here I have my solve keyword, and so I've used that to set my goal down here. The main thing that's different about this problem from our old problems is that in this one, the D is over here in expression number 2. And as you can see in my goal, I kind of want the D to be in expression number 1. Now let me be clear here. You don't technically have to have the D be on the left. You could solve equations with the variable on the right, and some teachers will tell you that. However, for myself, I feel more comfortable always putting the variable on the left, and I think you might too. Many people do. So it's highly possible that you would. All right, so let's see. How can I get this D over on the left? Well, right away, this is our new law that we're learning today. So the first thing I'm going to do is put my equal sign in the middle, and I'm just going to copy expression number 2 exactly how it is over to the left side. You don't have to change signs. You don't have to do anything special. You just copy the whole expression. What do you do here? You copy the 17 to the other side, and that's it. Now, when I identify my terms, everything looks normal, so to speak, okay, because the D is on the left. Now that the D is on the left, that matches up with what I want for my goal. So guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to move this -8 over, and once I move the -8 term over, it's going to become a +8. Now I get rid of the -8, and what do I have? I have D equals 17 plus 8 equals 25. And that's my final answer, guys. That's it. As you can see, it's a very simple process. Again, if you switch the expressions, you do not have to change the signs. You only have to change signs if you're moving a term from one expression to another expression, only a whole term. The rest of the time, you don't have to worry about that. Let's try it one more time. Here we go again. I see that the x is on the expression number 2. I want x to be in expression number 1. So what am I going to do? I'm going to put my equal sign in the middle so I know what I'm doing. I'm going to put x minus 8 on the left. I'm going to put -13 on the right. I identify my terms. I see that the x is now here in expression number 1 where I want it to be. So what needs to move? Well, the -8. When I move it, I change it to a +8. Cross off the -8, and I end up with x equals -13 plus 8 is -5. And that's it. As you can see, I've matched it up to my goal. The x term is on the left, the x expression, and -5 counts as expression number 2. Remember, a single term does count as an expression. So even though in my little graphic down here I put 4 terms, you don't have to have 4 or 3 or anything. You could have just 1. It's perfectly fine. So there's expression number 1, there's expression number 2, and we are happy right now. Thanks for watching, liking, subscribing, and visiting the website where math is for everyone, www.grossimath.com. Have a great day, guys.